Microsoft Business Notification is offered with 6 pre-built templates. These templates are out-of-the-box functionality that we provide you within the release of Navision 4.0. They were developed to cover and solve problems around the supply chain business processes. Using these templates, you will only need to follow a few steps to start using Microsoft Business Notification. In the Notification Scheme window, you set up filters, details about the notification message, and recipients. In the Filter window, it is possible to set up additional filters. For example, you can set up a filter to receive notification only about the purchase orders that are relevant for you. That could be purchase orders regarding specific items from specific vendors or group of vendors. In the Message window, you can enter details about the notification email that will be sent every time the event occurs. In this case, every time an order confirmation is not received. You can enter different types of information in the Contents field, for example, the number of related purchase order and other fields from the Navision application, as well as text, to ensure that the recipient understands what the message is about. With Microsoft Navision Business Notification, you can send notifications to your business partners. On the Recipients tab, you can define a list of recipients with permissions to subscribe to the event. This example demonstrates how fast and easy it is to set up schemes using Microsoft Business Notification. You can set up as many schemes as you would like and have them running concurrently. Users, internal recipients, use this site to subscribe and unsubscribe to the schemes and view schemes status. This is not done in Navision as a default. You can subscribe to as many notifications as you need, and unsubscribing is a simple procedure that only takes a couple of steps. In order for the business notifications that you have set up to work, you must define and run events from inside Navision. You can use the Notification Worksheet window to run batches for time-based events. For example, events that are triggered by a change of date and something happening or not happening in Navision. The events that are triggered by the changes made to the contents of a field do not require that you run a periodic batch because the event happens when the defined field is changed. When the field changes, the relevant data is exported out through an XML port. It is possible to have more users or departments run their own batches with their own events. The number of days you enter in the unconfirmed purchase order window should be less than the difference between order date and system date. In this case, when running the batch today, the worksheet will search for purchase orders that were released with an order date 4 days ago. The time settings are saved, so you don't have to enter a value every time you run the batch. This message means that there is currently one purchase order that wasn't confirmed by the supplier within the time frame you set up. When the worksheet has found the purchase orders that fulfills the criteria, it is possible to view details and remove those for which you don't want to send notifications.